Hey everyone, have you ever heard of a crypto wallet that's as easy as tapping your phone? Today, we're diving into the Tangem Wallet. It's a hardware wallet in the form of a sleek card, and setting it up is incredibly straightforward. First thing you'll need is your Tangem card. Each pack comes with 2 or 3 cards that are linked to the same wallet. This is great for redundancy, so if you lose one, you still have access. Now, grab your phone and head to your app store to download the Tangem app. It's a quick download and totally free. Once you have the app installed, open it up. You'll see a simple interface. The first step is to create a new wallet. Just tap the Create Wallet button. The app will then instruct you to tap your Tangem card to the back of your phone. Make sure your phone's NFC is turned on. It's that easy. Just hold the card there for a few seconds until the app recognizes it. Next, you'll be prompted to set up a passcode. This is crucial. Choose a strong, memorable code. This passcode is an extra layer of security and is required for transactions. After you've entered and confirmed your passcode, the app will ask you to confirm it with the card one more time. Now, a very important part, the backup. Tangem doesn't use a traditional seed phrase. Instead, the cards themselves are your backup. The app will instruct you to link your other Tangem cards. Simply tap your second and third cards to your phone one by one. This process securely links them to your new wallet. You'll see a confirmation once each card is linked successfully. Keep your backup cards in a safe place, like a fireproof safe. And that's it. Your Tangem wallet is now set up and ready to go. You can now add crypto to your wallet. Just go to the Receive tab in the app to find your wallet address. You can copy this address and send crypto to it from an exchange or another wallet. You can also buy crypto directly through the app. The Tangem wallet supports over 6,000 cryptocurrencies and tokens, so chances are your favorite coins are supported. The beauty of this is that your private keys are stored securely on the chip inside the card, completely offline. This makes it a lot safer than a software wallet on your phone. And if you need to access your wallet on another device, you just need to have the Tangem app installed and one of your cards with you. Just tap your card to the new phone, enter your passcode, and you're good to go. So there you have it. Setting up a Tangem wallet is a fast and simple process. It's a great option for anyone looking for a secure and user-friendly way to store their crypto. Thanks for watching.